Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Property Expert Academy. I just thought while I'm looking into this auction lot, I'll do a live scan and record this so that you can also see how we look at the properties in auction catalogs. So today I've got one coming up. So this one we're looking at Barnard Marcus, which is coming up on 9th of March. So this time I'm going to go a little bit faster because we are doing the first scan through, then we'll go more in details based on the lots that we are going to see and do more research on them. So the lot number one, this is one of the property in Tooting. I mean, residential is not something that we are currently keen, but depends on like sometimes our clients who may have retained us for acquiring some of this property that are as per their requirement, then we may be looking at. So at this stage, we won't probably go into that. So let's say lot one, no, it's residential, 2, 3. Yeah, most of them are residentials. But let's see what else we can get from an investment point of view. So most of them, I think I'll go through very quickly and scan. I think this seems to be a little bit of interest. Looks like a mixed use kind of 1 million. Okay, let's go through. So it's triple 9 years lease with share of freehold. Rent currently 60,000. So in a way, it's like about 6% yield. That's like a guide price, but of course, guide price doesn't mean we'll be getting at that. And of course, we need to ensure, all this contract fee and extra fee, we can factor that into our purchase price. So now let's say, so one of them is, so as I mentioned, this one, we are going more as a first scan. So I'm just going to make a note. So lot number 16, then let's go back. All lots. Then I think it's residential. There is some plot of land. Let's see, where is that? In Surrey. I mean, one of our client basically wanted, but then this area could not be good for them. It's in Surrey, and also this is more or less like a Greenland. Okay, maybe we can go one more day, a separate session on that. What is Greenland? How to deal with those things, or like what are woodlands and all. So I'm just looking at very soon because everything, most of the lots that we are looking here is all residential, which at this stage we are not looking into. It does happen like sometimes, you have one or two odd lots that you are always keeping an eye as well, and let's say this is Cumbria, it's quite far. I mean, that's not the location that we are currently looking at.